Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing a $120 mystery box. This may be the most expensive mystery box I've ever purchased online. This box is from ThredUp, which is an online consignment store, and this is their designer box. So what I'm promised is 7 designer items. They may be flawed. They may not be sellable. I really don't know. You're definitely taking a gamble whenever you purchase these boxes. I have purchased several of these before, but that was when they were $90. And I definitely have some opinions about this box, so stay to the end to hear my unfiltered opinion. Before I bust into the box and show you what ThredUp sent me for $120, I want to tell y'all this is a collab. Me and 3 other of my reseller friends here on YouTube, we all purchased this box and we thought, why not? Let's collab, and that way if you enjoy these unboxings, you get to see not just one, but 4 designer unboxings. It's gonna be me, my friend Wendy over at Reseller Wendy, my friend Jess over at Gorgeous, and my friend Victoria over at Super Geeked. I'm going to link each one of their videos down below in the description box. So before you're like exiting out of YouTube, make sure you hit up my girls and see what they got. Some of them got some amazing stuff. So I'm gonna just open it up and we're gonna go through it. I did bust into this as soon as it came to my house because I have no patience. So I'm going to start off, there is an order to the madness here. I'm gonna start off with what I'm least excited about, AKA what's gonna bring me the least amount of money, up to the most expensive item in my box. Before you exit out of this video, make sure you like and subscribe. I do mystery box unboxings all the time. All right, let's jump in. So, would it be a ThredUp designer box without a freaking long chomp? I actually have received several of these long chomp bags in my other designer boxes, and I only listed one. They sent me a purple one that was really pretty and I listed it, but I have 2 other ones that are just like not great. So this one that they sent, it is so disgusting. I'm definitely going to have to wash it. Oh man, I hope it's picking up on camera. There are literally marks everywhere on the bag, and there are marks also inside the bag. It definitely looks a lot better on camera, but trust me, this bag is really, really dirty. Here's the front of it. Yeah, the camera's doing this bag a little too much justice. I don't think I could honestly even get $30 for this bag. So I'm just going to lock this bag up with my other 2 long chomps, maybe for like $50 or $60, and we'll be done with that. Okay, so I was really excited to see this in my box, and if you're new here, I'm gonna butcher all these names. I don't actually sell designer items. I live in Mississippi and I don't necessarily find these brands where I live. Missoni, and I guess I'll tell you the size. This is a size 10 women's. So these are a pair of like burnt orange pleated pants. And honestly, they're in great condition. I have looked at the clothing items that they sent and I have not been able to find a flaw. So I am going to pop up on the screen like how much I think I'm going to be able to get for these. I thought I would be able to get a lot more money than what the sold eBay comps are showing. I'm probably just gonna price this stuff up. So I don't know, maybe I'll price those at like maybe $75, $80. We'll see how they do. Okay, let's move on to some shoes. So this is a brand I was completely unaware of. It's C by Chloe. So whenever I unboxed this, I actually called up my friend Victoria, who lives near me and is in this collab. And I was like, I've never heard of this C by Chloe. And she was like, yeah, Chloe's a designer. So yeah, I'm completely unfamiliar with this brand, but they are a super cute pair of like purple lace-up ballet flats. I don't really see a ton of damage there. This part is coming undone, but I think that can easily be like glued back together, no problem. Same with this one. But like I said, I would rather, personally, I would rather this be coming undone and be able to glue it back than like usually you get like the toe that's like completely scratched up. Yeah, so I'm really happy with the style of these. I'll pop up on the screen how much I think I'll be able to get for them. But I do think that the color will help them sell for spring and summer. And these are a size 41 if anyone was interested. So this next pair of shoes I received are Ferragamos, which it's like completely rubbed off, but I was familiar with Ferragamos and I have purchased some at the bins. The Ferragamos that I have not sold. The only flaw I could really find on these is right here. But other than that, the heel's in great condition. The only thing I really feel like I'm gonna have to do to these is maybe stuff them a little, because there was a lot of creases, honestly, probably from being shipped in the box, to be honest with you. And these are a size 8B, which I'm happy about that, because the ones that I found, I think they're like a AAA. They're really narrow. And so I think that's why they maybe haven't sold. But I do think these are a cute little pump. So not mad about these. Okay, these are the last pair of shoes. And then I'll go into my favorite pieces in the box. So these are some Prada kitten heel black closed toe pumps. Again, the only really flaw you see right there, there's like an indentation in this leather. But as far as like the heel, it's in decent condition. There's just a little bit of wear, and I don't know if you'll even be able to see it on camera. There's just a little bit of wear, but all in all, the shoes are pretty much in like ready to go sellable condition. I think this is a really classic style, like somebody that just wants some Prada shoes. I feel like they would love these. What do you think about these? Okay, so this next thing, I will tell you, I was originally really disappointed when I pulled it out of my box, but then once I looked up how much these were selling for, got a little bit happier. So this is Escada, and it's in amazing condition. I would even consider this, I'm not gonna put new without tag, but it looks to me and it feels new without tag. So it's just a really pretty dress. And yeah, like I said, there's no flaws that I have been able to see. If anyone's interested, it's a size 40. So yeah, I think this may fetch me the most money in the box. Now, I'm gonna show you my favorite item. And this, I'm just gonna mark this up because I love how it looks. So let me show you the brand. Oh man, I'm gonna butcher this. Moschino? I have no idea. Moschino, made in Italy, US size 14. Okay. This is a beautiful gold blouse. It has a collar and it's a button down and it has all these beautiful ruffles, and then I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there's little hearts on the buttons. I just thought that was such a cute little detail. Again, I have looked this over. I'm not seeing any flaws. I'm not seeing any on camera. And look at the sleeves, y'all. They have lace on the sleeves. I just love this piece. Because I like it, I am going to mark this up. Some of these like button-up blouses, they weren't going for as much as I would have priced this one for. I really want to get at least 100 for these, or for this piece. Let me know if you think that's a little out there. Do you think that's too high? I just think this is a really fun piece. Okay, so here are my completely unfiltered thoughts about this box. So I love these ThredUp designer boxes. I do want to say that. I think these boxes you can definitely make your money at least back on and definitely make some profit on. I just want to say that they raised the price by $30. And this is my least exciting designer box I've received. My $90 boxes, they always put something in the box that was like at least a $200 sale. I don't have that in this box. Like, this box is full of a lot of like maybe $70, $80 pieces, which again, you're gonna be able to make your money back and you're gonna be able to make some profit. But I wish they would have thrown in something amazing. Like, remember that Dior bag they threw in that I sold for $400 that one time? I wish I would have had one of those. So would I purchase this box again? Absolutely, because I do not find these brands where I live. I hardly ever find any designer pieces unless I purchase these boxes, which is why I think I'm going to continue to repurchase them. I like to have higher end brands in my closet. Y'all know I don't sell just one thing. I'm definitely not a curated closet. I'm the opposite of that. I sell every gender, every size, every style, a little bit of everything. So I like to mix it up, and I think these are fun. So what was your favorite item in my box? Leave me a comment and let me know. Also, don't forget to check out my friends' videos. I will have them all linked in my description box. Once you're done watching them, let us know who got the better box. I don't think it was me. Okay, y'all, I'll see y'all in just a couple days for a What Sold video. Bye.